To enable the Wi-Fi scanning feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for better location accuracy, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find location. Tap location. Tap location services. Under improve accuracy section, tap the gray on option next to Wi-Fi scanning until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, it will improve location accuracy by allowing apps and services to scan for nearby Wi-Fi network, even when Wi-Fi is turned off. Given to the function, you can set this option on if you rely on accurate location services frequently. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.